Amazing! In level 12, you completed irregular plurals and verbs, Latin prefixes, passage fluency 1, similes and metaphors, and passage comprehension 1.
Ooh.
Welcome to the Global Mindset University. I'm your host, Mufid Rashid, and today I'm teaching you about Lexia, from level 1 to level 21. Here we
Welcome everyone to the Global Mindset University. Today I'm on passage fluency 1. I have to finish one more, then I'll be on level 13.
Woohoo! Let's see. Right, so passage fluency. Mahfouz, are you ready to complete level 12?
Yes.
I'm so excited to see you, Mahfouz. Let's go ahead and do it.
Read along with this part of the passage.
Read along.
Listen to how it is read smoothly and with expression.
Friends at the park. Lynn, Rex, and Meg walked to the park. The park had lots of trees and kids were on the swings. They swung up in the air. The three friends did not feel like swinging, so they sat on the grass by the trees.
Next, read the whole passage to find out more. You can try reading aloud smoothly and with expression. As you read, you will fill in missing words. Press this button to read the passage.
Lynn, Rex, and Meg walked to the park. The park had lots of trees. Kids were swinging around the swings. They swung up in the air, and the three friends did not feel like swinging, so they sat on the grass by the trees. I have a ball with me, said Meg. You can play with the ball. Yes, yelled Rex. Throw the ball to me.
Let's see.
What trees
Next
do
part.
you like the best? Asked Lynn. I like elm trees because I like string in their shade when it gets hot, said Rex. I think pine trees are nicer, said Meg. Why? Asked Rex. Pine trees stay green all year, said Meg. Your turn, Rex said to Lynn. What tree do you like best? Your tall trees because I like to climb tall trees, said Lynn.
Read it.
What trees do you like best? Asked Lynn. I like elm trees because I like string in their hair when it gets hot. When it gets hot too. When it gets hot, said Rex. I think pine trees are nicer, said Meg. Why? Asked Rex. Pine trees stay green all year, said Meg. Your turn, Rex said to Lynn. What trees do you like best? Tall trees because I like to climb tall trees, said Lynn.
Great reading.
Yes. Oh, fantastic. Mahfouz got 140 words. Let's see. Level 13.
Amazing! In level 12, you completed irregular plurals and verbs, Latin prefixes, passage fluency 1, similes and metaphors, and passage comprehension 1.
Ooh.
It's gonna be the jungle.
Level 13,
I knew it was the jungle.
Indian rainforest.
Indian
Oh, it's
rainforest.
the rainforest.
Wow, looks great. It must be new, guys.
The peacock. I think that's an anaconda. They do live in rainforest. Yeah. A, B,
Indian
AV.
rainforest. So
Good job. Why not you hear what the animals are about instead of
Yeah,
starting
let's
them?
see.
Hanneman langurs start their mornings by giving off a booming whoop sound
Booming
that helps
whoop.
other Hanneman langurs know where they are.
Whoop, whoop.
A tiger can eat as much as 60 pounds in one night, which is
This
about
tiger,
the
look
weight
at
of
him.
240 hamburgers. That's a hungry tiger. The mugger crocodile is one of the only reptiles known to use tools. They balance sticks and branches on their
Look at
heads to
him.
lure birds who are
Mum,
looking
mum,
for
mum,
nesting materials.
And now this one.
The Saris crane is the tallest of the flying birds, standing at 6 feet tall. Its
Look at
wingspan
him.
is even wider.
That's so wonderful.
It's so amazing. Great, Mafuz. Thank you so much for being on level 13. We have now learned a lot of new things in level 13 at least. So the animals here, you see there is a tiger and a lot of different animals. So we are so happy to be here on level 13. And would you please say something? Like, how happy are you today being on
I'm
level
really
13?
happy for being on level 13
Mhm.
since I completed it.
Right. So how long did it take you to complete from 12 to 13, level 12 to 13?
Maybe 16 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, the last one just took you 16 minutes, but the whole thing a month, right? Almost 1 month? Yeah, 1 month. Okay. So how excited are you?
I am happy.
You happy? Nice. Thank you. Congratulations, Mapfuz. And thank you for your hard work, by the way. Good job. Keep working. So you are officially on level what?
13.
Level 13. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, that was Mahfouz Rashid, and thank you for sharing with us. We'll see you on the next episode. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. So that's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode. That's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode.